Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this lovely bookcase or a collage maybe. For this I used paper yarn and cotton yarn, category 3 cotton yarn together. For this part I used 4.5mm hook and 5mm hook for the top part with the cotton yarn. And hope you like this one too. It's a very easy pattern. If you want, you can use strands, handles, and use it like a bag, but I plan to use it at home as a book cover. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's totally free, and we can start now. Start with a slip knot and chain 33. Once you complete your chains, yarn over, skip 1, 2, 3 into the fourth. I'm gonna put a double crochet, pull through 2, pull through 2. Okay, that's a double crochet. Count this as a double crochet too. So we have 2. I'm gonna put 1 more into same place. Now put 1 double crochet into each chain till you reach to the last chain. Leave the last chain. Now into this last chain we are gonna put 5 double crochets totally. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now starting from here we are gonna put 1 double crochet into each chain again. Now I'm hiding the tail 2. You see, we made this double crochet here. I'm gonna put 1, I'm at the end. I'm gonna put 2 double crochets here into this last chain. Oops, sorry. While we are joining, we are gonna use only this back loop. Insert from the back loop of the chain, join, chain 3 as a double crochet. Now we are gonna make double crochets, but we will use only the back loops. You see, that's the back loop. Put 1 double crochet into each stitch back loop. Do not make any increases, decreases. Keep going. I'll meet you at the end. I'm making the last one. Now insert into this third chain. Join the slip stitch. Chain 3 is a double crochet. Starting from here, we are going to repeat the same thing. We will put 1 double crochet into each stitch. I'm using the stitch, not the back loops. Okay, you are gonna repeat this. When you turn back here, you will insert into this third chain, join with a slip stitch, then chain 3, keep repeating. After this part, sole part, okay, from here, I made 10 rows. Now I'm gonna make one last row. I'm gonna put single crochets, but I will only use these front loops here. Okay, insert into the front loop, grab the yarn, pull through 2, insert into the next, pull through 2. Put one single crochet into each stitch front loops. I made the last one. I'm gonna join with a slip stitch. Sorry, let me check. From this first stitch, make a chain, cut this one, now grab the cotton yarn. I'm gonna change the hook. I will use a 5mm hook, and I'm gonna use this back bumps, back loops. Okay, we left the back loops here, we are gonna use them. Insert from the first one, attach your yarn, make 3 chains as a double crochet, insert into the next, put a double, into the next, put a double. You see, I'm using the back loops. I put 1 double crochet into each back loop. Now I'm gonna join from this third chain, chain 3 as a double crochet, and put 1 double crochet into each stitch. And we are gonna repeat this for a few rows. I'll turn back and show you in a second. I made 12 rows. It's 12 centimeters. Now we will make one last row. Chain 1, insert into this same chain, make a single crochet, skip 1 2 stitch into the third. I'm gonna put 5 double crochets all into same space. 1 2 3 4 5. Skip 2 into the next, put a single, skip 2 into the third, make 5 double crochets, skip 2 into the next, put a single crochet, Repeat this till the end. I made the last one, skip 2, insert into the single crochet, first single crochet, and join with a slip stitch. Make a chain, cut this yarn. That's how it looks. Now we are gonna make a cord, leave a long tail, okay? I leave a long tail. Make a slip knots. Now that's the yarn coming from the ball, that's the tail. Just wrap the tail around your hook, grab the yarn, pull through. Wrap it around the hook, grab the yarn, oops. Let me make it one more time. Wrap it, okay, grab the yarn, pull through. Wrap it, pull through. I made it a little bit longer than 70 centimeters. It's also a little bit elastic. Now I'm gonna grab 2 yarns together and make a chain. Just cut this yarn. Now we are gonna attach this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I could make it from the 7th row. Find the middle place. It's not important. I didn't count my stitch. If that's the middle, I'm gonna start from here, okay? Go inside, skip 3 or 4, go outside. I skip 2 and go inside, skip 4, go outside. You can make it as you like, okay? Just turn around, I'll meet you somewhere here. I attach this. Now I'm gonna make one last thing. Make it 3 strands. For this one we have 2 strands, so you can make you can use 2 strands together. When you fold them, it will be 4 for here, it will be 6 for here. Now insert into the stitch, grab the yarn, I'm gonna make a knot here. I'm gonna take the yarn from top to the down, okay? Just cut it. Okay. And that's all. If you want, you can put some straps, handles, but I'm gonna use it with this way as a book holder, and hope you like this one too. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address. It's also my website, Ravelry, Etsy, Pinterest. You can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.